didn't think you drank that much tea.
No? Yeah, I know. Yeah, the morning after.
Oh, yeah. No, I mean, I had two before, and then, because usually I don't drink that much tea. I didn't really rest, I was just looking at my phone. I was actually looking at planes. I
Oh,
was actually looking at, because we were talking about that. So I was going to look at air stewardess, because
yeah.
then all of a sudden I went into this thing, pilot takeoff or something, and I decided to look at it. So I looked at a woman pilot, and she was taking off, and that was
What's this
fine.
on your phone, is it?
Yeah, YouTube. And then all of a sudden it went into a disaster that happened with a British Airways flight. But I don't know what the result was. And it was like, when it was landing, and it had gone through, and it was going from Beijing to London or whatever, and then it kind of crash landed on the landing. It went through all of that, and it had to go higher and lower because of the terrible temperatures it was going through over Siberia and all that, right? And then when it came to landing, something happened to the landing gear, the thrust or whatever. So I don't know what happened in the end. I didn't get into that, and I contacted the incident, I didn't see about it. But the next one I watched was awful, and I would have been in America at the time. And I know you never go to plane after watching these. This was 1996. I was in America, and I did hear of a flight crashing into the water. I don't know where though. There was one that did crash like in New York, like with a takeoff or something. This wasn't a takeoff.
Was it Sully? Film we made called Sully. Was the guy who crashed into the Hudson River?
Oh yeah, maybe that was it. Yeah. But this was a different one. This is TWA, and it was they were trying to get the elevation, and they couldn't get it, and then all of a sudden there was a failure. And there was fire, and the whole plane, like a fireball, and down, and then another plane saw it happen. So it didn't happen over New York, where it happened, I don't know where it happened. The other plane saw it. It's like, I'm watching all this stuff. Actually, I was glad to get back to reality. I'm like, oh my god, stop watching this. This is really weird. It's so scary, you know. And be like, oh, I mean, planes are lovely when they're going well. But they don't go well.
I look fine. I'm hoping to go away soon. Why is this coming up?
Hoping. We'll see how it goes money-wise. We have hope. I'm not promising anything, but I'm hoping for it.
Where are you going to go to?
I wouldn't mind a boat trip either. That'd be pretty good. I'm thinking Portuna. Do they do boat trips in Portuna?
On the Shannon.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could pull in there in Portuna where me and my mom, we could say hi to you.
And they'd be good. That would be a bad idea.
They pull in there.
Well, give us a break from
I don't think they take off from there.
yeah.
They take off
Pull
from
in there.
Carrick and Shannon.
Do they? Yeah. Alright.
Is that what you took off before?
We've got from Carrickstown before, I think.
I don't know. It's gorgeous on the Shannon.
Yeah.
That we got on the Shannon. I don't know where they're coming from, but some of them do. That one is ice cold. Some of them do. In there just for a day. Yeah. Like there was a couple of guys on there one night, and me and my mom were sitting having a coffee or whatever. It was the summer, and then the guy is looking over, right?
Yeah.
And then he looked like this. Look, he looked like that. And I could have gone over and had a chat with him,
Yeah.
and I didn't do anything. And then the moment was kind of gone because then he came up on the pier and he was feeding the ducks, and then the other guy came down. Because the other guy I kind of liked, but the other guy was he was looking over and he was tidying up the thing then, and he was like, and yeah, I could have hit it off with one of those guys that night.
I was with the league, the match almost over. Guy sat down in front of me, right? Dublin jersey, tracksuit bottoms, runners. On mobile phone, sitting right opposite, right? And he looked at me the whole time. I got a very bad feeling about it, didn't even talk to him. I got a very bad feeling about it. And I was just leaving, and he said, you really sink in these chairs, can't you? He was trying to break the ice, you know. And he looked like, to be honest, he looked like a good player. Why do you want to talk to me?
He might be wanting to talk to see if you want
Yeah.
some drugs.
Yeah, you know.
And then what happened?
That's it. Walked off.
Oh, he was trying to get you to talk.
I don't know, yeah, he was. Trying to break the ice, you know. Forcing me to break the ice, you know.
Yeah. Maybe he liked you.
Maybe, yeah.
Like a hand for the cooking.
I don't know, I'm kind of, I'll see now, just easily into it, I'm just, I'm not, yeah, that's why I think maybe it might have been better to wait until Valentine's, but I'm not in the best hospitable mood, and I'm sorry, and I'm just kind of, you know, I kind of like, I don't know, and that's why I was kind of putting it off, and maybe we should have gone for that, but,
Back up and put it together.
I don't know, I'm just kind of, I don't know what's wrong. I'll cook now, you see, I'm not used to cooking and I don't cook that much, so I said I'd do this, and I kind of now I'm kind of, so I told Trump and, this room for it. Yeah, no, I think, yeah. You have to be kind of in the mood for cooking it.
Sorry folks, what you know? Oh.
Yeah, so it's annoying because I'm walking on and I had it on for 2 hours today because I wanted to disinfect out there. See, everything here is okay. All cups and everything are just clean. I know I'm fanatical. Everything here is fine. But what happened the other night is I was preparing, I had the door kind of open and I was preparing, I shouldn't have done that. I left the door kind of open because I opened the door, the cat, this door. So the cat was at the door and I opened the door, and I made the mistake of opening. I knew she was there, so I shouldn't have opened, because once I opened, she wants to come in. So she came in as I was preparing the food, and she was so hungry and ravenous. She's very ravenous, anyway, the black one. The other one isn't, but she wolfs down the food, like she inhales it. You can actually hear her inhaling it. And she was so hungry that she jumped up on the countertop as I was preparing it. And I couldn't control her, and then she got panicky. And she went kind of more over towards this way, and I had the dishes on the thing, and all the dishes there, everything has to be sterilized. And I don't know how to sterilize them. So I'm thinking bleach, right? Bleach is 100%, isn't it? See, I'm going to be fanatic of that. So I'm going to disinfect everything with bleach, and then I'm going to wash it with salts, wash it with, and then I'm going to disinfect it.
Right, that's 3 stages, right?
There's no need for
I
that.
mean, not yet, can you put that down a bit?
Yeah, I know. This is the fanatical part. So I haven't started it because I was like, every night I was like, I'm going to do it, but I have to have the water extra hot. So I made the water extra hot today, and I didn't get to do it. And I said, I'll wait till you come. No, but I was going to ask your advice on how many times do you think that the bleach the first time is going to be good? Because, that cat's out there, she'll be into anything.
No.
You know what I mean?
Bleach is dying
And
to
the
do.
poor thing, like, she didn't know, it was my fault. I shouldn't have opened the door, because I knew she was going to come in. And you see, when it's cold and I feel sorry for her and I'm like this, and I didn't think she'd jump up. And, it's cement there now because they've taken up the floor cover, so I don't want her to come in, but the thing is, like, I didn't think she'd jump, oh my god. And she started wolfing down the food before I could even get it into the dish. Yeah, so.
I think if you do those 3 stages, right, how much time will it take you though?
Yeah, have dishes out there, because what happened was, I had some washed, and I had some to be washed, and you see, everything has to be done now, even the ones that were washed, and I gave up, and I said, okay, sure, no little spoons here now or anything, because everything's out here.
Don't put yourself off.
But everything I have here is okay,
Yeah.
that's why I'm washing out here, and that sink is blocking up as well, but only with the food now, I'm just wondering about the potatoes, the potatoes, the potato croquettes and all that are in the freezer, would they be okay if the
I'd say
freezer?
so, yeah, I'd say so.
That
I'm
they
more
would
with-
go
yeah,
up.
I would
And I have
more-
potato waffles as well, potato waffles are nice, you can even do them in the toaster, I bought them yesterday evening, so they're okay. So, yeah, see, the only thing you have to worry about is turkey and ham, and, no turkey and chicken and, fish or anything, if it's not frozen or.
See, the thing about the version of potato waffle is the waffling,
Oh, yeah, we went through this before, why did I mention it? I forgot about that. I should know better.
God, imagine what we put in top. Famous joke. Huh?
Oh, I was wondering why you were wearing the camera, but I was wondering why you were wearing that, and I said, oh, it's a camera.
Like it?
As well as the
Actually,
other one.
I did the new one. This is actually very good. Actually, the sound is very good on this. I have a new one on the way. Called very distorted. The engine in the car. My voice comes out very bad. It's not even very hit music. The only thing that comes out good of this is the pushage, but the sound is very distorted. My voice comes out very bad. I have a new one on the way. Hopefully, it's going to be okay.
Yeah.
To be close by next week. And it goes upon my ear. The thing it goes upon my ear. The ends upon my ear. It's a different type. It costs more than this one. This one is
Yeah,
more
you're
expensive.
saying.
This one costs €28 or something like that. And there isn't any more left. And there wasn't these left in this is kind of cheap, this one. So the one I'm getting is what is it, what, 48 or something like that? 40 something. Well, that's about 45, so 45, so the price like that should be okay, so something like that. Hopefully not more clearer,
Yeah.
Be good for like, for a point of view, like if we're going on a boat, say the boat trip, I'd be able to get a point of view, I'd be able to get very good view shots, if we're on a boat, or we're on a plane, I'd be able to get pushed out of a plane flights, or with the stud as well, push over the stud, walking around the stud as well, get good very good view shots of the stud, like all that. But so far, I filmed a lot of the stud with the head camera. A lot of them all around the plastics and stuff like all around the stud with my head camera. And when I come down, I did a kind of tour around the stud with my head camera. So I was showing them viewers all around the stud with different plastics and stuff like that. All around the nurseries area and all that kind of stuff. So I showed them the lake for arts race up to Grant and I showed them the net with plastics over there, the circular plastics on the nursery area and I seem like having a grand tour around the stud with my background and that. It's actually good for it's good that's good picture for the staff on this. It's really just a pity, so hopefully this new will be like that. It should be posted by next week. So hopefully by next week it will be posted. Or maybe they get back home with it again. So
This looks like,
paint. That was driving up the walls. That's what he's doing there, we're just driving up the walls.
What is it?
Don't ask. It's too complicated for me.
Oh, you're pretty good that I did nothing with your laptop since you gave it to me. I still owe you money for it. How much do I owe you?
Do you want it? Do you want it at all?
I do. I want it.
Excuse me.
Just don't do it.
Excuse me, Angel, I told you not to ask her that. I told you not to ask her that.
If you want it, take it.
Excuse me,
Give us
did
two.
you not? Did you not give her?
I want it.
Did you not give her a present and then ask her for
Yeah,
that?
Indian giver. Indian giver.
Yeah,
Give her a present and
I
take it
told
back.
him, I told him that. I said, do not ask her for a present back. He said, you give her a present, you do not ask her for it back. I told him that. I told him not to say that to her. I said, do not say that to Anna.
Okay, sorry.
I told
Yeah,
not
but
to say
in all
anything.
fairness,
You
I
do
haven't
not,
done anything
you do
with
not
it.
give her a present and ask her for
But
it
you know,
back.
I'm wondering where my other computer is. And I was just thinking of that
That's
tonight.
not very nice, Amy.
I
Do
was
not
just
say
thinking,
that. That's
yeah,
not
but
very
in all
nice.
fairness, I haven't touched it, and I don't.
No,
But that's me
you
with
know,
computers.
it's not very nice.
But I want to start getting better with computers because I'm going to get internet coverage here and I'm going to start getting up and coming.
I
Better
warned
see
you.
more money.
I want you not to say anything. I warned
How
you.
much money do I owe you?
It's a excuse me.
What was the thing where we were doing 70 and there was
Excuse
something?
me. She should not have to
Wasn't
pay.
there a deal there?
Anna should have to pay for it.
Forget about the
Excuse
deal.
me. Anna should have to. Excuse me, Liam
You
Daly.
like them all.
Liam Daly.
When
Liam Daly.
Two.
Liam Daly. Anna should have to pay
the
for
same
it.
thing happens with land. They all say, oh, what land? You
Excuse
don't
me.
have any land.
That was a
You
present.
can't use half that land. It's not good land.
Liam
When
Daly.
they want to pay for it.
Liam Daly.
But when they want it,
Liam
oh,
Daly.
it's good land.
Do that.
Liam Daly, I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
You do not ask.
What happened to our deal?
You
Okay.
don't ask for
I
it.
offered it.
part of the
I
deal.
offered a deal. I
Was
forget.
it like 50 or 70?
Yeah.
I gave 70
Excuse
and
me, I'm
what?
trying to talk to you.
I kind of had a both the same
You
time.
did not ask her for her money.
All right,
It
right
was
then.
her birthday.
You're right.
It was a present. You did not ask for money for a present.
And so like, what was the deal again? It was like, I give you 70 and cut it.
And
deal.
do
Yeah,
not,
I saw that.
And what was her other part?
Do
What
not
did I
give
have
her-
to do?
do not give him a cent.
Cook dinner.
Do not give him a cent. Do not give
If
him a
I'm
cent.
not giving him nothing now.
Do not give him a cent.
I'm
That's a
not giving him
present.
dinner
That's
either.
a present.
Yeah.
That's a
No
present.
dinner.
A present. If
There's
it's
apples over there on this.
if that's a present, she does not pay you a cent.
If you want.
Okay,
Oh,
thank
If
yeah,
that's
so-
a present, she does not pay you a cent.
You're right, Tanya. You're right, Tanya.
It's a present.
And there's the turkey in the fridge. You can have one.
That's actually
The one that's told.
Nobody should,
I'm gonna kill you.
no,
And then you give half to the cat.
nobody should pay for it.
But you
No,
can eat
one,
it out there with the cats.
nobody should pay for the present.
You're
No,
right,
nobody should have to pay for a present. It's a present.
Yeah, but in all fairness, I haven't been using it. I never touched
know.
it since he left.
And it doesn't matter. It's a present.
I'm
It's a
bloody
present.
lazy.
It's a
I wish
present.
that I liked doing things that were going to
It's
get
a
me.
present, and
somewhere in life.
no one should pay for a present. It's a present. She
I
can't
wish,
wait.
I wish that I was good at doing things that would get me places in life. I'm always good at doing things that are not good,
Yeah.
like watching airplanes flying there for the last half an hour, instead of doing something constructive on my phone
Yeah.
and learning something.
You
I'm watching
would,
airplanes flying.
you would enjoy that. You would enjoy that face washing then.
Yeah.
That's literally.
We all should go for dinner at the rooftop restaurant. I think it's in Dublin.
Yeah, but it's something all of us that you go down to the airport and watch the planes taking off.
Yeah, and a coffee.
Yeah, what's she thinking?
Yeah, sure.
Think about it.
Yeah, good.
Maybe I'll meet a pilot.
Yeah. So how much do you know that idea? You go to the Dublin airport, you walk
But
to the
there is a
planes.
restaurant there. It might be expensive.
Is that?
Yeah, there's a rooftop restaurant. I think it's there.
Hmm.
I don't think it's in any other airport already. It's new. Yeah. It wouldn't be in Shannon. That's not where I would see it.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's called View, I think, or something.
View.
Yeah, so the restaurant name. Yeah, yeah. I could even look it up. Yeah, well, maybe I won't know.
Geraldine myself and Liam went to the Dublin airport and watched some planes take off. You know, we just
Yeah. For a change.
for a change and a bit plane spotting. Because I like planes, you know, I like to see them take off. But we had to try and find a good spot. We had to try and find a good spot to see them take off. It's not very easy to see them, you know, because of the fence and stuff like that. Trying to have to go up in the
It's interesting.
up in the height. They had to go up in the height. Up in height to see them. You know, if you don't go up in height, you won't be able to see them very well. You have to go up in height to see them. Otherwise, you won't be able to see them because of the fencing kind of blocks the view, or it kind of blocks it. You have to go up in the height to get the view of the planes go up and try and of it going on the runway that's taken off, and planes coming in, and you won't get a shot of them. So I took them. So we did that for about a month or so, about a month stitch of the plane spotting. So I enjoyed the plane. I enjoy watching that kind of thing, you know. So if we want, we can do that again. We all go together, or we find George a lot. We do it again. We want to do that.
Yeah, I like your phone, I like your phone.
Yeah. So you can just let me know whenever time suits you, and we can all go together. And you go for coffee after.
Let's see how it goes, yeah.
You have to think of a good time of the year though, when it isn't too cold.
Yeah. Oh, you're outside, is it?
Yeah. And it's outdoors, so it's outdoors.
Or is it like, is it like, where Terminal 1 is, or whatever you kind of where the parking lot is, and you just go there, is it?
Beyond the wire, yeah, beyond the fence, yeah.
Can you get out there?
Yeah.
Get out there?
Yeah.
There's a special place where you can go to look at planes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be nice to go
You want to
if
get a beauty, you want to go to a beautiful place, you have to go and find a good place, good a hill, how to be, you have to get a park.
it'd be nice to go in the restaurant, but to be inside.
Yeah. If you can look us up at the name of the restaurant, it's what it's called.
Viewers.
Yeah. And look at the prices and let me know what the prices are.
Yeah, it'd be expensive.
We have to think of a good time of the year when it's not cold. So maybe the springtime or summertime when it's warmer. So I'm thinking of time to suit you as well. You know, you're busy schedule and stuff, you know.
Taking time off now, I have to learn to go back to work, I have to stay at work for a while.
And then to find somebody to look after your mom as well, if you're doing things like that. Maybe you can find somebody.
I have that lady, but
Give me 70 gallon, we should know.
No, excuse me! She's not
still
paying you.
thinking about it.
She's
Forget
not-
about it.
She is not paying you a cent. That was a birthday or a present. She's not paying you a
That
cent.
was Santa's gift.
She's not paying you a cent for that. That was a present. You do not pay.
Santa, you can't give a gift
Excuse me.
and make me pay for it.
It's meant to be free. A present's meant to be free.
Santa gives presents
Sorry,
for
open my
free.
mouth. Sorry, open my mouth.
No,
Help!
You're asking for a slap.
No.
You're asking for a slap.
Help.
no,
You're asking
really.
for a
My
slap.
computer cost $140. He said that at the
You're asking
beginning.
for
It
a
was
slap.
only that we were doing some kind of deal
You're
at
asking for a slap.
Christmas. What
What
was
else
it?
You're
did you
asking
do? I forget what it was.
You're asking for a slap.
Yeah, I forget what the deal was, so that's a funny
You're asking.
thing.
You're asking.
It
You're
was
not
like,
forget to pay for the meal and the hotel.
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't do it. I
Yeah.
wasn't able.
You're
Yeah, you see, I'm down on money since I was out. Yeah. And I'm down on money anyway, but since I was down, I am because you see, I didn't get the.
That should be free, and you're not paying the cent.
No, it was 140. So either I pay for a meal and it's 70, or I pay for something else and it's 70.
Yeah.
Don't be
You
putting
see what
pressure.
I get paid for?
Don't be putting pressure on me, you.
No, I have the money. I have the money, not right now, but when I get my illness benefit.
Don't be putting pressure on her, even though
When I get my illness
It
benefit.
isn't fair.
together.
Ian, it's not fair to put pressure on her like that. No, stop it. Behave yourself.
Yeah.
Behave yourself, Ian.
But I can't do it now. It's all I have in my account. It's very little. Because €200 was taken out for a loan, and you know, I went through every Friday,
Yeah.
and with half of my wages, almost all my wages are gone
Yeah,
on a
yeah.
Friday. And I
Well,
just
they've
think
had it
that's
going in out of the
yeah.
kitchen sidewalks, something a bit rude today.
But,
Cycle
so I save money by not having your one, you know, the black one. I save money by not going to work.
So you get all of
Because I
some
have to pay
camera,
her.
separate video stuff, don't you?
So
Yeah.
it's good. When I'm out from work, I actually save money. I stock up money. Yeah, no, nobody else does that. But like, because like imagine, like I don't have the money this week. How can I go back to work? I couldn't pay her. Then she's gonna get all annoyed on Sunday evening, and then she probably won't come back the following week. So I'll wait until I have the money. So I said, look, I just say to her, well, what I'm saying is, if I don't have enough money to pay her on Sunday, she's not gonna be happy. She's not gonna come back the next week. And even if she does come back, she's gonna kick up a fuss, you know. So I'll wait and I stock up money, and then I have money. So when I'm out, I actually save money, and so then I'm able to pay her for a few weeks, and I don't have a problem. But yeah, so we're not here. Well, she is the cheapest that you'll get, and I know that. She won't be available indefinitely either, because once they get work permits, they just go out to another job. She'll probably be doing that soon.
Where to have that?
I don't know if give me a hand, I don't know yet, let me get my bearings first, and, just write up these, you mean, handling equipment. I'm not exactly sure what I'm doing yet now, I kinda know, but, I just kind of, think about it for a second. I don't know about the potato, yeah, I don't know if I should cook those frozen potatoes or, that's stuffing. I just got that yesterday to make my own stuffing. That was when I was in Tesco and I had no money. I had no money, and then because I hadn't got paid, and then all of a sudden, as I was in Tesco, so I went to the reduced section. You know, the reduced section in Tesco is great.
Yeah.
You can get milk for 20-something cents.
Really?
Sometimes if it's there.
Yeah.
So my cousin in England always does that. He goes, even though he doesn't have to, he goes to the reduction thing. So I went anyway, and I got this breadcrumbs, and I can make my own stuffing, right? And then all of a sudden, as I was halfway down the aisles, my payment went through. It said, you have received a payment. I said, oh, now I have money. And what happened is then they kind of threw me off, because I said, now I don't have to pinch and scrape. I can actually afford stuff. And I didn't know what to do. I was like, you know how you have your mind set on, I get this reduced item, I get this reduced item, and this reduced. Then all of a sudden I have money, and I'm like, now what do I do? Now I can buy stuff, but I don't know what to buy, you know. It's like I had my little plan, and it threw me off. Yeah, pretty annoying yesterday. They didn't pay us until 5 o'clock in the evening, and it usually goes through the night during the night. You know, it goes through at 3 or 4 in the morning. So you wake up in the morning, you're always paid, and so they obviously had some sort of a problem. It only happened once ever before. So I don't know. It was a bit annoying. I couldn't do my jobs yesterday because of it. So you think those potatoes, even if they're in the freezer, they're okay even if they're partly thawed? The potatoes never would cause a problem.
Sorry, folks. In and out of the kitchen all the time.
Coffee now. There's like a lump in it. Does that mean it's kind of like old?
No.
Is it okay? It's just I've run out of my Camcorder because I couldn't afford it yesterday. I didn't use up the copy this year.
Now, send a message to Sarah, I think. friend Sarah from Canada, one of my bigger friends in Canada, Sarah, she calls the Irish National stuff. Yeah, so I was saying to her, I sent her a message. I seen her on my Facebook page, she called the Irish National stuff and said thank you. And then she said I can't really shut up. She's a reader and reads books. So said she'd love to come over to Ireland and visit the study, you know. But she's scattered at the moment, she doesn't have time to do it, but said she'd love to come over to Ireland. She said it looks like a lovely place to go to visit, you know. Looking forward to going back over. Looking forward to seeing the new restaurant. Yeah, the new, it's got a whole new brand new menu, and
It's the zoo people, no? The crowd that does the zoo in Dublin. Dublin, yeah, they're doing it. It actually includes camel on the menu.
a very funny name. They have two restaurants at the zoo. It's not one of the top menu, it's one of the nice menus. It's one of the nice the last menu, and we're going to have breakfast. We're supposed to go for breakfast on the first day. Hopefully we have a nice meal. Well, I'm looking forward to seeing them. And it's been repainted. It's been repainted again. Repainted again. Brand new decor. Everything's all done up again. Yeah, repainted again. It wasn't that long since it was painted. Now it's painted. It was only painted there recently. It couldn't have painted grey. It was painted grey colour, and now it's going to be painted again. Yeah, I'm not too sure about the tables. Did you say the bigger new tables?
Everything changes, yeah.
Even the tables and chairs?
I'm not sure about that. Most of it.
The only thing that's not changing is the name. The name's going to be staying the same.
Yeah.
have to put on the stove.
Mm.
And then the computer language called Ruby here.
Ruby.
Ruby's nail language.
Is that the first time I heard of that?
Yeah, first one.
It's the first time I heard of it.
What's it called?
Ruby.
Oh, Groovy. Oh, never heard of that either. No.
Start.
Bishop said my program that I like to watch, Heartland. Do you remember saying about Heartland? It's finishing. After season 20, it's final season. We're finishing after season 20. Season 20 is the final season. And look at it now. In the end, it's after season 20. I have season 19, I got season 19 in the post, so when I go on to get it, it's the end of the finishing the series. It's 2 seconds. To work on such a pattern, you know,
Yeah.
the horses.
Yeah.
Whisperer actually, he works for Cotton Horses. cereals, you have the air, you have the remember muesli, the bag food, the bag of muesli, open up to particles and pull up the camper, The nuisance over, yeah. There's some outcomes you only get back, some come in boxes, some come in bags. The one in the bags was really awesome for open. You had to spill over the camper.
I should have just bought ready-made stuff yesterday. I was trying to buy the juice stuff. So I make my own, but I'm kind of sorry now.
It's easy to make.
Well, I watched my aunt make it once, so that's how I know. So when I saw the bread cooker, I said, I'll make my own with that juice. I didn't want to buy stuff that was already made. It was more expensive. So I'll just do it. And then even when I got the money, then I was like, oh, I'll just take it anyway because it's reduced. I'm kind of sorry now. I could have just bought a tray of stuff that's already made. But it's not that expensive. It's just yesterday I was a bit low. I only did that for an occasion. Then when I was hungry in there, I had no idea, so I could have just.
Beans is just breadcrumbs and sage, isn't it? Breadcrumbs, sage, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just kind of, it's already, they tell you, it's already, they just tell you to put it in the oven the way it is, but that's not how they do it.
It's breadcrumbs and sage is the beef, isn't it?
Well, I don't know, it's
Sage is kind of herb, isn't it? Kind of herb, sage.
I'm not putting the exact word on it.
It just has to be exact. It just has to be exact. Huh?
Sage.
Sage is the kind of herb.
I have a mixture of Italian herbs here, I'm sure sage is in it, so this is all I actually.
Plant, so.
It just has oregano and basil.
I love basil. I love basil. Pork and basil, like basil. These are the spice, or this is the spice one, I love them. Yes.
This is not, no, it's not going to be gourmet stuff here.
It doesn't matter, just once it's edible.
I don't know if it'll be edible either.
It doesn't matter. I don't care. Just once it's food, it's all
You
matter.
should see the share his hair tiny, Jesus.
What? Excuse me? What did you say?
Oh,
What did you say?
joking.
What did you say? What did you say? What did you say?
No, say Louis still was here for you. Louis was here for you, yeah.
Exactly.
Well,
I'll support you,
thank you.
like you said, if you did a reduction on the laptop.
Now, see now.
See how good I was, I support you, John.
Yeah, thank you very much. It's worth €140.
What happened?
Yeah, I just